Dear Doneflows Academy viewers, to all the individuals and business owners, one of the major expenses that eats most of the income, sales, and pennies, which we all may not even like, is the topic of today. Can you imagine yourself getting a 5 to 7 figures paying job or business? You are so excited, like you are finally arrived and overcome your financial struggle. You felt like, oh my goodness, I have reached a milestone of untouchable success after many years of grinding and hustle. At the end of the payday, what do you get? Before you get paid, almost 40% of the income you earned was taken, withheld, or set aside. You only get to keep 55 to 60% of the income. Dear viewers, isn't that absurd? Yeah, it is. As you progress in your career and businesses, the system that eats your income and sales progress as well. Meanwhile, the small business owners and investors that make millions and billions get to keep almost 100% of their income. Why is that? How is that possible? These are the questions lead us to the fourth practical things rich people understand, which it is called task system and rate. Dear viewers, we welcome you back to Doneflows Academy. If you already subscribed, liked, and commented on Doneflows Academy channel, thank you for Doneflows of support and for tuning in today. However, if today is your first time and you have not subscribed to our channel, we respectfully ask for your Doneflows of support by subscribe, like, and comment on our channel today. And thank you for the boost. We daily appreciate you. In the past videos of this current series, the 7 practical things rich people understand, don't take them for granted. So far, we have covered 1, the purpose, the ability to overcome identity crisis. Number 2, the association, the life journey partner and helper we all desire. Number 3, which was our last video, debt and credit, the power of leverage through control. If you have not watched them, we recommend you check them out by clicking on the link below. Do you dislike taxes? Do you feel like there's nothing you can do about them? At the end of this video, we want our viewers to understand tax system and rate, the preferential treatment the rich enjoy legally that you and I can also equally take advantage of without breaking the tax laws. Before we continue today, there are 2 terms of tax system in which tax authority where you dwell are called 1, tax evasion and tax avoidance. Before we continue, we want you to understand the differences. Tax evasion simply means an illegal method to intentionally reduce or cancel taxable income, while tax avoidance simply means a legal method to reduce your taxable income. Example of tax evasion by law is when you intentionally report income below what you made, overstate expenses, claimed unqualified deductions or exemptions may result to fine, penalties, or even prison time. By law, this could be deception, dishonesty, concealment, and other illegal means to escape liability to tax. Example of tax avoidance involves legitimate method to avoid tax liability. In respect to law, we respectfully advise our viewers today to consult with their lawyers and accountants who truly understand tax codes and can guide correctly in the country where you dwell. Here's the fun fact for today. Citizens of few countries like Canada, the UK, Finland, Japan, and United States of America have an obligation to pay and file tax annually regardless of where they live, except they pay tax where they live with proof in case of audit. Few rich renounced their citizenship to another country to be free of tax burden. The rich like Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, Mike Bloomberg, Elon Musk, and other billionaires pay little or no federal tax to state and local governments. You may be paying higher tax rate than billionaires in your country where you dwell. The rich understand tax code strategies and they take advantage of them legally by exploiting the loopholes legally using common tactics of claiming allowable tax deductions, tax credits, investing in tax advantage accounts such as IRA and 401ks using checkbook control. The truth is that taxes are enjoyable, simple, and understandable, and there are multitude ways to pay little to nothing in taxes and to use your tax savings to grow rich fast. The answer to your tax problems are easier than you ever imagined though. Learn the tax code to help you get rich in the country where you go. Subscribe to Doneflows Academy today for more educational videos on tax planning. There will be more videos on how to put tons of money back in your pocket immediately, how to plan working strategy to protect your assets and your family, why investors and entrepreneurs get all the breaks, what should you understand not to fear an audit, and how to survive tax audit, what to expect and look for in a tax advisor, how to use your tax savings to build incredible wealth for yourself and your family will be in upcoming videos soon after this series. Click subscribe and the bell to be notified for more videos. We want you to understand the type of income that attract the type of taxable percentage of paying tax. In the US, the Internal Revenue Service, called IRS, who oversee the tax code and awards different tax treatment to income-based. What type of taxable income that applies to you? Do you know? Don't you want to know, right? Please stay tuned to check out the type of income that applies to you and the percentage they attract. Thank you for watching Doneflows Academy today and subscribe to this channel. I'm Tolu Radiant. Our next upcoming videos are more interesting and exciting. We are going to talk about stream of income, the growing rich and wealth. Please share with your friends and family, and we'll see you in the next video soon.